my channel. I know it's been a long time till I haven't done my channels. So today in this channel I'm going to show you my LOL capsule. And comment down below which LOL doll do you think I'm going to have. So I've already opened this before, so that's why there's no like bag and there's no wrapping stuff. So but there's still things to open. So first of all, you'll see there's some codes to find out. And so if we see, we have to try and sort them out. So unlucky and lucky. Is this it? Then you press this button to see if it's right. But it's not. Let's do sweet and sour. Nope. Let's do hot and cold. No. Crown and jewel. This is it. So if you see as what the first surprise is, some pom-poms. So that's the first code in. And if you can see, I'm trying to look for the opposites of the codes, otherwise it wouldn't work if it's not opposite codes. So we've got sun and rain. Nope. Peace and love. Let's see this. Oh, there it is. We got some shoes. They're actually white, but I coloured them in my colours. So those are the surprises that we got so far. Well, I don't really have anything in here. It's just some random things. So, let me show you let's find out what the password is. Nope. Nope. No. Yep, I just got some random things in there. So now it's time to open the doll. So let's do... It's upside down. So is this it? Nope. Yep. And that's... So if you guessed it right... Let's see who we've got. We've got Sis Tia. So let's put her clothes on. She's got a nice blue skirt. Oof. And then she's got this shirt, jumper, kind of. Let's put that on too. And she's got loads of lines without her clothes on. Okay, now she's got this nice bow. And then we have her shoes. One shoe. Two shoes. Okay, and now let's see what we've got. These are just some things. So when you just have it, it comes in like a rubber doll, but then you have to take the rubbers off, and then you'll find your actual doll. Can you see what it says? Well, if you get your magnifying glass, you can see. Look, all the different codes. And this is a secret code to help you think of what it can be. Comment down below, what do you think it is? Okay, and this is our collector's sheet. Try and spot which one we've got. I've ticked it in pencil. Okay, now last thing, let's just put the pom-poms on her hands. There's like these plastic things that you can fit on. And here she is, our doll. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and all. See you all next time. Goodbye.